Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this lantern style light shade using items that I bought from the 100 yen shop. I'm not gonna talk much in this video, it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. This project was really quick, really simple. It only took a few hours to complete and it cost me around 900 yen to make, which is roughly $6. Enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. And there you have it. I love the way this thing turned out. Real simple, real easy to do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Mahalo and aloha.